And Dr. Quinn, tell us how coronavirus could infect blood vessels.
Well, basically, there's some new research that's out, and it's very interesting research. They're studying a correlation between people's blood types and their susceptibility to the COVID-19 infection. And a lot of this research is drawing a conclusion that individuals who are type A blood type are more vulnerable to a COVID infection as opposed to the other blood types, which would be A, B, or O. And they're saying that the people with O blood type have the best chance of not getting a COVID infection.
Are they far enough into this yet to come up with a reason why that there's that distinction, or are they just now recognizing that this is the case?
Well, this is an observational study, and they're studying a lot of people that are infected with COVID-19 all over the world. But one thing that they're hypothesizing is it's dealing with the antibodies. Now, if you're someone with type A blood, you'll have antibodies against type B, but you will not have antibodies against type A. If you have type O blood, you would have antibodies for type A and B. Now, the hypothesis is the antibodies actually provide some protection, not full protection, but some protection. Meaning, if you have type O blood and you have those antibodies against A, if you come into contact with the COVID-19 infection, then the antibodies can interfere with the virus's ability. And I'm talking about those spike proteins on the COVID-19 virus. It interferes with their ability to bind to the human cells and infect the human cells. So everything is still, under further research, but right now it's looking very promising.
But still, no matter your type of blood, you should always be protecting yourself, correct?
You know what? That is such an important point, because the scientists did raise the point that they don't want people that have type O blood to go out to the disco or go out and just not wear their mask, not social distance, not use the precautions such as hand cleanliness as much as possible, because we don't want people to get what's called a false sense of security. With this study, they're recognizing that there might be some protection, but not full protection. And it's not yet fully proven yet. This study has not yet been what's called peer reviewed. So everything is under development, but it's so exciting that we just want to put that information out because we need hope. And this is hope that there is information out there. And once they discover this and confirm it, then they can use this even in medicinal procedures where they can produce medications or use some of these factors. Because right now what we're doing is we're trying to figure out any way and anything that we can use in our advantage where we're going to use it, but we got to get the information, and that's exactly what the scientists are doing right now.
Well, I was just reaching in my pocket to show you that I've got my mask, but I can't get to it. But we are socially distanced here, and we're certainly socially distanced from you, Dr. Quinn. Thank you for dropping by and telling us about this new development, man. This is important information. Thank you, sir.
Certainly.
Hey, thank you.
That little digital delay there. You're welcome.